In this video, I will teach you how to make an audiovisual video with FL Studio. We all know if you are a musician or music producer and you want to upload your music on YouTube, you have to turn your audio into video. That is where the visualizer comes in handy. To achieve that, we need two things: audio artwork that is already designed in Photoshop or Canva, and audio itself. In this video, I will demonstrate with my own beat. I made it a couple of days ago. This is my artwork I designed in Photoshop, and save it. Go to FL Studio, click on View Mixer or use the shortcut key F9. Click Master Channel, go to the bottom slot and insert Zouk Editor Visualizer. Click Add Content and click Add Pictures. Locate your designed artwork and load it on Zouk Editor Visualizer. Now back to the main, and we have to load the following layers. First, add an image layer that will handle our artwork. Click the source image and change from none to our design. Secondly, add the peak effect layer and select linear. There are a lot of settings, but the only ones to focus on are hue and saturation for color control, position X and Y, power, and polarity. Other settings are self-explanatory, so try them out yourself to see their capability. Otherwise, you can copy my settings as shown in the video. Then we add post-process layer, which will make our video shake according to our music. For audio sources, select master for mix down track or select kick for a beat and set the amount to a lower value. On my opinion, 3 to 5% is enough. The third element I like to add is terrain effects. Then I select goop flow, increase alpha, saturation, and slide hue if I want to change color. Now we are only left with one crucial step. Before I go to that, please subscribe to my YouTube channel to encourage me to do more tutorials. Finally, it is time to export our work. Click the export button, choose a platform you will upload your video, and choose YouTube. Rename the file and choose the path or location you want your file to be saved. Done. Your video is ready to be uploaded on YouTube. Thank you for watching and see you in upcoming videos.
Purchase your tracks today.